From feeding adorable capybaras to my very first boat ride, this vlog has it all. And did I almost get bitten by a bunny? You will have to watch to find out. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the third part of my vacation vlog, and today I am starting off with the outfit of the day, and I am wearing this cute outfit. So I recorded a little video to show you how it looks. After that, we got in the car, and guess where we are going? We are going to a kangaroo park, and let's see what it's like. On the way, the view was so nice. Like I mentioned in my last video, it's summertime and super hot, but the scenery made the drive so worth it. So first stop, the Kangaroo Park. We got there and wow, the entrance was so beautiful. We took tons of pictures and I already uploaded, and they turned out amazing. After getting our tickets, we entered the park. One important thing they had posted: no food allowed near the animals unless it's the special food given by the park, and they really care about the animals' health, which is great. Firstly, guys, look at these capybaras. They are looked so innocent, and we sat down near them, and the kids were loving it, feeding them and having the best time. They barely moved, just chilling. Next, there was a turtle section, but we didn't spot any. They were probably hiding inside. When we are moving forward, we saw there was an animal show started soon, but still we have some time. So we go forward and we saw some rabbits. They were so cute, and I have only ever seen them in movies. I was a little nervous thinking they might bite, but no, they were so friendly, enjoying the moment. Isn't it funny how animals seems to sense when we are excited to meet them?
God, please, no! No!
Then the animal show started. We stood there watching as they showed us different animals like sugar gliders, snakes, and kangaroos. The host shared cool facts about their ages and qualities. It was super interesting.
Wallaby. He will spend about 8 months in Mom. These guys will live about 50 to 80 years in captivity and 100 or more in the wild. So he's going to outlive me. So Khan here is a ball python. Now these guys are also going to be from Africa. And again, just like the name lives. So vestigial is a fancy word for evolutionary leftover. So millions of years ago when their ancestors, used to have legs, these are the bones that are left over of them.
Hi everybody, how are we enjoying the show so far? Good? Awesome. My name is Jess. I'm one of the crazy bird people here. Name from scientists, so that's why he's called that. Right? Skipper here is actually supposed to be the smartest parrot in the world. Well, they're guys, I said the bird. Here is a Milwaukee cockatoo, sometimes called San Jose cockatoo, because of that beautiful crest that she has. Say hi. Oh, hello. Oh. Say hi. Take a little bit of your business.
Next, we finally made it to the kangaroos. The park is famous from them, so of course we had to take some pics and feed them. The park staff gave us food for them, and it was such a fun experience. By the way, guys, they also have some other animals around. Guys, they have some fatty pigs, and I was laughing there because the pig cannot walk properly. and they have goats, and then we had to grab some ice cream because why not. After the park, we hit the road to our next destination, a seaside spot in Kelowna. On the drive, we passed through the beautiful rural areas with farms and lots of agriculture. People were out there working the fields. It was a whole vibe. And then came the boat ride. Let me tell you, this was a first for me. I was a little nervous. Okay, maybe a lot nervous, but also super excited. And handling the boat was a bit tricky, but we managed. Funny part, I was thinking the whole time, don't fall in, but it turned out to be such a peaceful experience. I was scared of the water at first, but once we got going, I love every second. It's amazing how we can turn fear into fun with just a little courage. We saw people kayaking and doing other fun stuff on the water, and oh, it was such a summer vibe. People tanning everywhere. I don't know why they love getting a tan so much, but hey, to each their own. After all the excitement, we finally made it back home. You will see me in the kitchen, changing into comfy clothes and cooking chicken plow, one of my favorite comfort meals. We cooked it, ate it, and then wrapped up our day. So that's it for today vlog. I did some other fun things, but I will show you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment below to tell me which part of the day you like the most. See you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.